So I have to give the Mini a quick spruce because it's going down to Ballymount tomorrow to be used on a film set. It's been used in Rory's stories in TJ O'Mahony's, so gonna give it a quick wipe over with the Urban Shine, getting more stickers cut to put on the back windows just to show it off a bit. Wanted to put a big one on the back window, but I don't want to make it look tacky. It's already there, all this stuff here, but yeah, looking forward to seeing what they do with the car in the ad. So that's the Mini, all clean, ready to go for tomorrow. All clean inside as well, nice and minter. Yeah, she's looking good. Can't wait to see what they do with the commercial. I've seen the script for it, it's absolutely hilarious. So she's all clean and ready to rock and roll. And we are off. Let's go. Now that's me baby dropped off. Just doing a walk around to make sure that there's no damage before and after. But she looks good. Dun, dun, dun. So that's it. Mini is dropped off for the film shoot for the lads. I'm just going to leave it here for a while. Graham's going to do some videos for me when they're shooting. So yeah, that's it. We'll come back later on when we're picking up the car, get some info, and yeah, happy days. So we just got a phone call off Graham. They're actually going to drive the Mini home for me. It's the first time I've ever let anyone drive the Mini other than my brother. They're driving it, he's going to drive it back to the garden, and then he's getting the lift back to work obviously. So yeah, hopefully he got some videos for me that I can slot in here and have a look at the shoe. So yeah, let's go. It's just very weird looking out your own front door, waiting for your car to come, but it's not here yet, and the garden just looks so lonely. So Graham is driving the Mini back. You may know Graham from such adverts like...
Hi, it's me again, folks.
He works in TJ O'Mahony's, he's the face of TJ O'Mahony's, and he's going to be rolling up in a minute with the Mini. Ah, there she is there behind. Look, he's sitting right there. He's in the driver's seat. He's looking for me. Confused, looking for me. So there goes the boys. El Graham, fair play to him dropping the Mini back to me. So yeah, minty fresh, no damage, no nothing. They had a ball. I can't wait to see the video when it comes out. But yeah, it's pissing rain out. I'm not happy because it's getting wet. But fair play to Graham and the boys over in TJ O'Mahony's. They looked after me with a little gift as well. So thanks very much for that. So yeah, peace out. Enjoy the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.